is a big update in the Noida businessman Gaurav Chandel murder case. The main accused has been nabbed from Mumbai. So this accused Ashu Jat, who was selling fruits and vegetables in Mumbai, also changed his identity. He's facing almost 40 cases of kidnapping, murder, attempt to murder as well. Gaurav Chandel, remember, was murdered while he was coming back home after work in January this year. Let me straight go across to Alok for more details. Alok, what can you tell us? Because this, in fact, it seems like this person has multiple cases of various crimes against him.
Well, Avneet, definitely it's a big catch for the agencies, whether it's Uttar Pradesh or in Delhi or Haryana, because he was having various criminal cases in Delhi and Haryana as well. In fact, Uttar Pradesh police had announced a cash reward of rupees 2.5 lakh against him after he committed the crime where he killed Gaurav Chandel, who was the regional manager of a private firm which is related to the medical firm, and he was returning back to his home when Ashu Jat, along with his associate, in fact kidnapped him and robbed his car. When he resisted, he opened fire in his head, due to which he killed at the spot. However, his body was recovered later after that by his family. Then this matter was very much highlighted during the time of the month of January, because Gaurav Chandel was killed at that point in time. And then there was the thing that was come out during the course of investigation, that his murder was happened because of the robbery bid, and his car was being in fact robbed, and his car was recovered later after that, a week after, in Ghaziabad. So there was a gang that was operating at that point in time, and in fact various other cases also happened in the similar pattern where many people lost their lives. So Ashu Jat was the prime accused in those cases as well. So it's a big catch, and very interestingly, he was hiding himself in Mumbai. It's thousands of kilometers away from Uttar Pradesh's greater Noida area, and he was selling vegetables just to hide himself. He was changing his names as well. So definitely it's a big catch for the agencies. Now he has been taken into the custody of Uttar Pradesh police. They will further interrogate him to ascertain in how many cases he was involved in these 7 to 8 months. And definitely, and remember, Avni, at that point in time, his wife was also arrested, who was conspired into this whole Gaurav Chandel's murder, and also one of the associates who was allegedly involved in the murder of Gaurav Chandel, he was also arrested, but Ashu Jat was absconding since then. So now he is arrested, and his further interrogations will be conducted by Uttar Pradesh police. Back to you.
Yes, absolutely, Alok. And like you pointed out, interestingly, he managed to move from there, from Uttar Pradesh, and get to Mumbai. So obviously, all of those questions will be, he will be interrogated on all of that. But do we have more details about, how he managed to get to Mumbai, and what was the motive of the murder?
Well, the motive of murder was exactly the thing that they wanted to rob Gaurav Chandel, and Gaurav Chandel resisted the bid, and that's why he was killed at that point in time, and his car was also looted. In fact, from that car, they committed series of crime at the same time in the few hours, and then they abandoned that car in Ghaziabad, and they fled from the scene. This is the main objective of killing Gaurav Chandel. That is what had come out during the time of interrogation of Gaurav Chandel's Ashu Jat's associates. And now because he is now arrested, so definitely his interrogation will reveal what was the exact and how it all had happened. But this is very interesting that he managed to evade his arrest for several months, and he found to be staying in Mumbai after and with another identity. In fact, he has changed his name as well. So that is the big catch. Now, after his interrogation, during the time of interrogation, the further revelation will come out. Uttar Pradesh police has just got his custody, and they will further interrogate him. Back to you.
All right, Alok. Thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.